Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi TT fuel cap. First, we'll cover the standard electronic method, which is usually the quickest way to access your fuel. Then, I'll guide you through the manual emergency release, a crucial step if the electronic system ever fails. Finally, we'll share some practical tips to ensure your fuel cap always operates smoothly, helping you avoid any unexpected delays at the pump. Let's get started. Most Audi TT models feature an electronic release button inside the car. You'll typically find this button in the driver's area, sometimes on the dashboard, or within the center console. Simply press this button firmly, and you should hear a soft click as the fuel flap releases. Remember, your car usually needs to be unlocked for this button to activate the fuel cap mechanism, so always check your door locks first. If the electronic button doesn't work, don't worry, there's a manual override. Open your trunk and look for a small access panel or flap on the side closest to the fuel filler. Gently pry this open, and you should see a red cord or lever. Pull this cord firmly, and it will manually release the fuel flap. You may then need to gently lift the flap by hand to fully open it. To keep your Audi TT fuel cap working perfectly, regularly clean the area around the flap to prevent dirt buildup. If the electronic release stops responding, consult your owner's manual to locate and check the fuse for the fuel flap mechanism. In colder climates, a frozen flap can be a common issue. A gentle tap or a bit of de-icer can often help free it up. These simple steps ensure reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.